Local teen who says he was secluded and restrained in school is now working alongside his mother to make changes. NBC15's Britni McDonald joins us now with more.
Well, Lee, if a student acts out, teachers can legally physically restrain a child or seclude them in a separate room. But until new legislation, they didn't have to tell anyone how often or for how long.
I would get restrained and then thrown in the room.
Donovan Richards says he was secluded in a room in the Middleton Cross Plains school numerous times, beginning in kindergarten, sometimes for hours at a time.
I would just erratically get more upset from that point.
Donovan, now 19 years old, was diagnosed with bipolar disorder at age 4.
School was really challenging. It was an anxiety-producing environment.
His mother, Paula Beege, says she didn't even know these measures were being taken until one day in 2nd grade, Donovan had a psychotic break.
It was unclear if he was going to recover. It was kind of appalling that there were no guidelines. There were no regulations dictating how it could be used in school, and kids are getting hurt. Staff were getting hurt.
Paula decided to take action and start from within. She was hired on the Middleton Cross Plains School District in 2001 as their parent liaison and student intervention support. Hoping for better response from teachers and better results for Donovan, she developed a behavioral implementation plan with the district.
Everyone around him was a little more equipped to help him through that so they didn't get to the escalated state.
In 2009, she wanted to take her efforts statewide, now working for Wisconsin Family Ties. But she knew real change would come from legislation. Just last year, Paula and Donovan were there when Governor Walker signed Act 125 into law, requiring schools to record every use of seclusion and restraint and notify parents.
I think the greatest challenges facing our youth going forward right now that we're seeing currently are our mental health needs, and more specifically, unmet mental health needs.
Now at Middleton Cross Plains Schools, the Director of Student Services says the use of seclusion and restraint has decreased by nearly 50%.
It increases the questions, it increases the accountability, the documentation, everything, and I think all that's better for our kids.
Middleton Cross Plains is also now providing training in mental health services to their staff. Madison School District implemented a mental health task force just over this past year. And Wisconsin Family Ties is putting on a conference about children's mental health in Wausau next month.